Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Matatag Curriculum, Mathematics, Grade 4, Quarter 2, Lesson 3. Our lessons for today is about A. Multiplying whole numbers, B. Estimating products, and C. Problem solving on division. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. First, divide two numbers with and without regrouping 2 to 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. Second, estimate the quotient when dividing 3 to 4-digit dividends by 1 to 2-digit divisors, by first estimating the dividends and divisors using multiples of 10. Third, solve multi-step problems involving one or more of the 4 operations with results of calculations up to 1 million, including problems involving money. Here are the contents. First, multiplying whole numbers. Second, estimating products. And third, problem solving on division. Let's have first a short review. For division, use division flashcards to review division facts, or play the game the boat is sinking, or recall the division process. For estimating quotient, recite the rounding rule. Rounding, find your number, look right next door, 4 or less, just ignore. 5 or more, add 1 more. For problem solving on division, recall the problem solving steps. Think, plan, solve, and look back. Let's go on with our lesson purpose problem opener. The cost of 18 books is 4,500 pesos. If the cost of each book is the same, find the cost of one book. To determine the cost of one book, you need to divide the total cost of the 18 books by the number of books. So, divide 4,500 pesos by 18. So, this is what it looks like. 4,500 divided by 18. So today, we will learn division to be able to solve real-life division problems such as the one above. Let's go on with our first topic, dividing 2 to 3-digit numbers without remainder. How many groups of 15 can you find in 90? You can try adding 15 repeatedly or skip counting by 15, like this: 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and 90. So how many groups do you get? So we have 6. Here's a simple model to illustrate the problem of finding how many groups of 15 are in 90. Now, let's try to look at this illustration. So, this is tens with a total of 90. This is ones with a total of 90 also. Now, let's divide it into 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Therefore, 90 divided by 15 is equal to 6. Now, Let's compute 90 divided by 15 using long division. Please follow these steps. First, set up the division. Write 90 inside the long division bracket and 15 outside. Second, divide. See how many times 15 fits into the first part of 90. So 90 divided by 15 is equal to 6. Third, multiply 15 by the number of times it fits and write the results underneath 90. 15 times 6 is equal to 90. Fourth, subtract the result from 90. 90 minus 90 is equal to 0. Fifth, bring down if there are any remaining digits. Bring them down. Repeat if needed. Continue the process until you've decided all the numbers. So therefore, 90 divided by 15 is equal to 6. Worked example, use models to find the quotient of 768 pesos divided by 4. So we have, for hundreds, we need 700 pesos. 100 pesos, 200 pesos, 300 pesos, 400 pesos, 500 pesos, 600 pesos, and 700 pesos. Next, for tens, we need 60 pesos. 10 pesos, 20 pesos, 30 pesos, 40 pesos, 50 pesos, and 60 pesos. And for ones, we need 8 pesos. 1 peso, 2 pesos, 3 pesos, 4 pesos, 5 pesos, 6 pesos, 7 pesos, and 8 pesos. Therefore, we have 768 pesos. Now, let's use long division to find the quotient. First, write 768 inside the long division bracket and 24 outside. Second, look at the first two digit of 768, which is 76. Third, see how many times 24 fits into 76. The answer is 3. Then, 24 times 3 is equal to 72. Fourth, multiply 24 by 3 to get 72. And fifth, subtract 72 from 76. So therefore, 76 minus 72 is equal to 4. Sixth, bring down the next digit, which is 8, making it 48. Seventh, now see how many times 24 fits into 48. So the answer is 2. And then 24 times 2 is equal to 48. And then subtract 48 minus 48. The answer is 0. Therefore, 768 divided by 24 is equal to 32. Let's have the lesson activity. Use long division to find the quotient. 85 divided by 17, the answer is 5. Number 2, 966 divided by 46, the answer is 21. Let's have the learning activity sheet. Activity number 1, dividing 2 to 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers without regrouping. Objectives: by the end of the lesson, the students are able to divide 2 to 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers without remainder. Materials needed: pen and paper or scratch paper. Instructions: write true if the division sentence is correct, false if otherwise. Show your solutions below. Number 1, 85 divided by 17 is equal to 5. The answer is true. Number 2, 88 divided by 22 is equal to 4. The answer is true. Number 3, 966 divided by 46 is equal to 22. The answer is false. Here's the solution for number 3. 966 divided by 46 is 21 as calculated earlier. Number 4, 922 divided by 32 is equal to true. Number 5, 632 divided by 79 is equal to 8. The answer is true. Let's now go on with our second topic about dividing 2 to 3-digit by 2-digit numbers with remainder. Let's have a drill on the division with remainder. Find the complete quotient. Number 1, 10 divided by 3. The answer is 3 with remainder 1. Number 2, 15 divided by 4. The answer is 3 with remainder 3. Let's have the worked example. Divide using pictorial representation. 77 divided by 16. There are 4 groups of 16 in 77 and a remainder of 13. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And with a remainder of 13. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Therefore, 77 divided by 16 is equal to 4 with a remainder 13. Use long division to find the complete quotient. Recall DMSB or divide, multiple, subtract, and bring down. 4,507 divided by 36. Divide 45 by 36 and 36 times 100 is equal to 3,600. Then let's subtract 45 minus 36, that is 9. Now, let us bring down 0, then divide 90 by 36, that is 2. Then 2 times 36 is equal to 72. Now, let us subtract 90 minus 72. That would be 18. Let us bring down 7 ones. Divide 187 ones by 36. That would give us 5. Then 36 times 5 is equal to 181. Now let us subtract 187 minus 180. That is equal to 7. 7 is now our remainder. Therefore, 4,507 divided by 36 is equal to 125, remainder 7. Let's have a learning activity sheet. Activity number 2, dividing 2 to 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers with remainder. By the end of the lesson, the students are able to divide 2 to 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers with remainder. Materials needed, pen and scratch paper. Find the quotient of the following numbers using your preferred strategy. Number 1, 78 divided by 25. The answer is 3 with remainder 3. Number 2, 914 divided by 49. The answer is 18 with remainder 32. Number 3, 506 divided by 35. The answer is 14 with remainder 16. Number 4, 389 divided by 23. The answer is 16 with remainder 21. Number 5, 711 divided by 22. The answer is 32 with remainder 7. Number 6, 99 divided by 14. The answer is 7 with remainder 1. Now, let's go on with our third topic about estimating quotient. Here are the guide questions. First, what is meant by estimation? Estimation is the process of finding an approximate value that is close enough to the correct answer. It's a way to make calculations easier and quicker by rounding numbers before solving. Second, how would you estimate the quotient of two numbers? To estimate the quotient, you can round the numbers to values that are easier to divide. Then, divide the rounded numbers to get an approximate answer. Third, try to estimate the quotient of 73 and 5. First, round 73 to the nearest easy number, which is 75, since it's close to 73. Divide. 75 divided by 5 is equal to 15. So, the estimated quotient of 73 divided by 5 is 15. Let us solve the following problem. A farm harvested 675 kilograms of lanzones. About how many packs of lanzones can be made if each must contain 7 kilograms? Let us follow a systematic way of estimating quotients. Step 1. Estimate the dividend by rounding to the highest place value. What is the highest place value in the dividend? The answer, the highest place value in 675 is hundreds. What is the estimated value of the dividend? The answer, round 675 to the nearest hundred. 675 is 700. Step 2. Divide to get the estimated quotient. The answer, 700 divided by 7 is equal to 100. Step 3. Give the answer in a complete sentence. Therefore, about 100 packs of lanzones can be made. Next, a drip from a leaky faucet can waste 4,950 liters of water in a month or 30 days. About how many liters of water are wasted in a day? Step 1. Divide the total amount of water by the number of days. The answer, 4,950 divided by 30 is equal to 165 liters. Step 2. Give the answer in a complete sentence. The answer, therefore, about 165 liters of water are wasted in a day from the leaky faucet. How do you conserve resources such as water? The answer, you can conserve water by fixing leaky faucets, turning off the tap while brushing your teeth, using water-efficient appliances, taking shorter showers, and reusing water for plants or cleaning purposes. Let's have a lesson activity. Number 1, 614 divided by 65 is equal to 9 with remainder 29. Number 2, 7,508 divided by 8 is equal to 938 with remainder 5. Number 3, 399 divided by 4 is equal to 99 with remainder 3. Number 4, 5,286 divided by 19 is equal to 273 with remainder 18. Number 5, 9,300 divided by 34 is equal to 273 with remainder 18. What is the importance of knowing how to estimate? First, saves time. Estimation helps you quickly get an approximate answer, which is useful when exact calculations aren't necessary or time is limited. Second, checks reasonableness. It allows you to check whether an answer makes sense, especially when solving complex problems. Third, helps in decision making. Estimating costs, quantities, or time helps in making quick decisions in everyday life, such as budgeting or planning. Fourth, simplifies problems. Estimation breaks down complicated problems into simpler ones by rounding numbers, making calculations easier. For our subtopic number 4, problem solving on division. Solve the problem by following the steps in problem solving. A store earned 5,500 pesos on Monday and 6,780 pesos on Tuesday. On the average, how much did it earn each day? Let's answer. Step 1. Think. Given 5,500 pesos on Monday and 6,780 on Tuesday. Ask, on the average, how much did it earn each day? Step 2. Plan. Hidden question. What is the total earnings for 2 days? Number sentence. 5,500 plus 6,780 divided by 2 is equal n. Step 3. Solve. 5,500 plus 6,780 is equal to 12,280. And 12,280 divided by 2 is equal to 6,140. The answer, on the average, the store earned 6,140 pesos each day. Step 4. Look back. Review your answer. Is it correct? Angela has 12 days left to read a 260-page book for her book report. She has already read 60 pages. How many pages should she read each day to finish the book on time? Step 1. Think. Given Angela has 12 days left and the book has 260 pages in total, she has already read 60 pages. Ask, how many pages should Angela read each day to finish the book on time? Step 2. Plan. Hidden question. How many pages are left to read? Number sentence. 260 minus 60 divided by 12 equals n. Step 3. Solve. Subtract the pages already read from the total pages. 260 minus 60 is equal to 200 pages left to read. Divide the remaining pages by the number of days. 200 divided by 12. That is 16.67 pages per day. The answer, Angela should read about 17 pages per day to finish the book on time. Step 4. Look back. Review your answer. Is it correct? Next, a team received cash prizes for winning in 3 games. They received 300 pesos, 200 pesos, and another 200 pesos as the prizes. There are 4 pupils in the team. They divide the money equally among themselves. How much will each pupil receive? Let's answer. Step 1. Think. Given the team won 300 pesos, 200 pesos, and 200 pesos as prizes. Ask, how much will each pupil receive if there are 4 pupils? Step 2. Plan. Hidden question. What is the total amount of prize money? Number sentence. 300 plus 200 plus 200 divided by 4 is equals n. Step 3. Solve. Add the prizes. 300 plus 200 plus 200 is equal to 700 pesos. Then, divide the total prize by the number of pupils. 700 divided by 4 is equal to 175 pesos. The answer, the total price of 700 pesos when divided by the 4 pupils gives each pupil 175 pesos. Step 4. Look back. Review your answer. Is it correct? Next, 750 pupils are going on a field trip. 2 teachers are assigned for every group of 30 pupils. How many teachers are joining the trip? Let's answer. Step 1. think. Given 750 pupils going on a field trip, 2 teachers assigned for every group of 30 pupils. Ask, how many teachers are joining the trip? Step 2. Plan. Hidden question, what is the total number of groups? Number sentence, 750 divided by 30 equals n. Then, n times 2 equals total number of teachers. Step 3. Solve. 750 divided by 30 is equal to 25. 25 times 2 is equal 50. The answer, on the trip, 50 teachers are joining. Step 4. Look back. Review your answer. Is it correct? Next, a baker has 5 trays of eggs. Each tray has 30 eggs. He uses 8 eggs for baking a cake. How many cakes can he bake? How many eggs are left over? Let us answer. Step 1. Think. Given, the baker has 5 trays of eggs, with each tray containing 30 eggs. He uses 8 eggs to bake a cake. Ask, how many cakes can he bake and how many eggs are left over? Step 2. Plan. Hidden question. Number 1. What is the total number of eggs? Number 2. How many cakes can he bake with the total number of eggs? Number 3. How many eggs will be left over after baking? Number sentence, total eggs is equals to 5 times 30. Number 2, cakes baked, total eggs divided by 8. Number 3, leftover eggs equals total eggs, cake bakes times 8. Step 3, solve. 5 times 30 equals 150 eggs. 150 divided by 8 is equal to 18. Since 18 times 8 is 144, then 150 minus 144 is equal to 6 eggs. The answer, the baker can bake 18 cakes and he will have 6 eggs left over. Step 4, review your answer. Is it correct? Learners' takeaways. Which strategy do you find easy to perform? In what situations can you use division? What values did you learn from the lesson? Share your answers to your classmates. Reflection on learning. Reflect 3, 2, 1. 3 things I learned, 2 things I found interesting, and 1 question I have. And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in.